Sunday, guys. Today my mum made us tuna salad rolls with avocado, cucumbers, lettuce, and carrots. She even put fruits on the side. And look at TJ eating. Mum put more on mine and Holly eating the same as me. This is so delicious and healthy because there's fruit on the side and there is vegetables in the tuna sandwich roll. Look at me with a full mouth because how good it is, and TJ's have full mouths too, and my mum just looking at us enjoying our food, and Holly enjoying her bite with like all her fruit, and me. Just look at me. I'm enjoying it so much. You can even tell. And coming Tuesday we'll be going back to school. My mum will be missing us because she'll be home alone sometimes because my dad's like fishing or going out somewhere doing work. I thank my mum for making us good food and snacks. And this coming week, my mum will be busy making our lunch and snacks to take to school. Yeah, thanks Mum for making me all the good food that you've made past all these years, and I appreciate that, and I think my brother or sister would do it too. Thank you.